Hey guys, lately my Dell Inspiron hard drive has been failing. And when a hard drive begins to fail, it can be a slow process and you want to back up your work right away as soon as you get any diagnostic that your hard drive is failing. What happens is that bad sectors begin to fail and it can be days, weeks, months. So you want to come up with a solution right away. I'm upgrading to a solid state drive. I'm really psyched about Black Diamond brand here. It's a generic brand, 128 gigabytes, which is sufficient for me. Generally, I use about 70 gigabytes, including with all my videos and stuff. Kind of keep a lean and clean system. I upload a lot of stuff to the cloud, but you can pick these up in 256 gigabytes as well. Pick this up new for 35 bucks shipped on eBay. I'll put a link in the description, but I've read some good reviews about it. You want to take off the case off your disk drive and save your screws here. So what I'm going to do next is put that case right on. You can see the screw holes there, and we'll be screwing in that case, and then we'll seat it in the drive. All right, the case is screwed on. Now when you put these in, you want to make sure that you keep it nice and level and slide it in nice and level in those contacts. You don't want to bend that in any way. I'm in the process of installing Linux Mint 18, and one thing I'm already amazed by, this computer is dead quiet. We got our operating system installed. Just do my customized tweaks as usual.
Thanks for watching. Give the video a thumb up and post your comments below if you've upgraded to a solid state drive on your laptop and how you like it.